Hello, I'm Dave, KU6G, the Hillbilly Ham. Today, we're going to start doing our series on the ATAS-120 on a mag mount on my wife's car. See how we can get this to work. So everybody, why don't you come along for the ride? Let's see if we can get the ATAS to work on a mag mount. All right, so now let's get the radio out. Let's do some testing on the ATAS-120. Probably gonna move it to a different spot, but for right now, that's the spot it's going on for today. All right, guys, let's see what we can do with this. I'm not gonna go into the setup of the ATAS inside the radio and everything. I've already got that done. So let's see how this thing tunes. We'll do it first on 6 meters. The antenna's bottomed out right now, so it's probably not going to move. Oh, I was wrong. Like I said, the antenna, I haven't done much with it, so the antenna might not know where it's at right now. So it might be finding its spot. Here's 6 meters. Barely moving, maybe a 1.1 to 1. 6 meters, tunes up. Let's see what happens when we tune 10 meters. 10 meters. According to the radio, flat. So it tuned 10. Let's see what happens when we tune 12. There you go. Meters flat. Let's try 15. What do you think? Think it's going to tune? Let's find out. So far, 6, 10, 12. Says it tuned 15. A little bit of movement, maybe a 1.1 to 1. Still very usable. Let's see what happens on 17. 17 meters. Let's see what we get. Maybe a 1.2 to 1. So let's go to 20. So out of all the bands, so far 17 is the only one that didn't tune up perfect, but I was below 1.5 to 1 swing on single side band. I'll run with that. That'll work for me. So let's see if it'll tune up on 20. Antenna's moving. There she goes. Says it's tuned. Nice and flat on 20. So far, 6, 10, 12, 15, 17. It was up to 1.5, but I'll run with that all day. I'm not going to worry about it, especially if I'm going out doing a POTA and I'm just trying to get in and get out. That's the whole reason I got this ATAS. So rainy days, I can still go hit a park if I want. Just do it from inside the car. But so far, we've got 5 bands that tuned. And 30 and 40 did not tune. That'll come in the next video of this series. Well, guys, there you have it. Those are the bands that tuned. We got 6 bands tuned. I didn't mess with 2 meters or 70 centimeters. Don't even have that side of the amp hooked up, so we just did HF stuff. So I know for a fact I've got 6 bands I can use. We're going out and doing POTAs with. Never have to change an antenna. But I want to work on getting 40 fixed. See if I can get 40 to work without a permanent install. And even if it's radios I got to clip onto the bag mount and throw out when we go out, that's what I'll do. But that's for the next video. So all right, everybody, let me know what you think down below. Let me know what you'd like to see in these videos on my channel. Let me know what you think about this video. Leave your comments down below. Thanks everybody for watching. Thanks everybody for stopping by. Give me a like, it helps me out. All right guys, 73. I am Dave, KE6GA, the Hillbilly Ham. This is where ham radio comes to life. Let's have some fun with ham radio in 2026. That's kind of what I'm doing with this ATAS-120. It's my first one. We're going to see what all we can do with it. Just using it as portable on my wife's car. 73, y'all.